Okay, so this is problem 4.4.13, and they're asking us to talk about base 7. So in base 7, they want to know the least 4-digit number, and then they want us to convert base 7 to base 10. And then in base 7, the greatest 4-digit number, they want us to tell them that, and then also they want us to convert that number to base 10 as well. Okay, so the first thing is, this is supposed to be a line for a slot here. So when you're talking about the least 4-digit number, you have to think about what digits are allowed in base 7. And all of the digits up to the number 6 are going to be allowed. And you can use other digits in base 7 depending on where you're at. But in terms of the highest digit that you can have would be a 6. Okay, and the lowest digit here is going to be a 0. So if you had a digit that was all zeros, it would just be 0, and that wouldn't be a 4-digit number. So the lowest digit that you could have here for base 7 would have a 1 in the 4-digit in the 4th place, and then all zeros. So 1,000 base 7 would be the smallest 4-digit number. And then the largest 4-digit number would be having 6s in each location. So that's our highest number here, 0 through 6 of digits. So 6666 base 7 is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, and then if we want to convert these, 1,000 base 7, let's just start with that. Actually, let me do it on a separate sheet. So 1,000 base 7, if we want to convert that into base 10, then we just want to write it out in its expanded form. So this is, this is the 0 position, this is the 1's position, this is the 7 to the 0 position, this is 7 to the 1st position, this is the 7 to the 2nd position, and this is the 7 to the 3rd position. So this is really 1 times 7 to the 3rd plus 0 times 7 to the 2nd plus 0 times 7 to the 1st and 0 times 7 to the 0. Okay, so these are all going to be 0. 1 times 7 to the 3rd is just 7 to the 3rd, which is 343. Okay, so if we go back here, 1,000 base 7 is equal to 343 base 10. Okay, and then they also want us to convert 6666 base 7. Okay, and so again, if we write this out in expanded form, this is 6 times 7 to the 3rd, 6 times 7 to the 2nd, 6 times 7 to the 1st, and 6 times 7 to the 0. All right, and each of those numbers there, this is 343 times 6, so we get 2,058 for this number right here in base 10. This is 49, 7 squared is 49 times 6. It's 294. This is 42. And this is 6. 6 times 7 to the 0 is just 1. Okay? Alright, so if we just add those together, the 2,058 plus the 294 plus 42 and 6, so you get 2,400. Okay, so if we go back to answer their question here, 6666 base 7 is equal to 2,400 in base 10. And that's it in this problem.